Dealing with household appliances errors can be frustrating, especially when it comes to your Frigidaire gallery dishwasher. Error codes on these dishwashers can provide valuable clues about what might be wrong. Understanding these error codes can help you troubleshoot issues efficiently, potentially saving time and money on repairs. Frigidaire gallery dishwashers may display various error codes, each indicating a specific problem. Here are some common error codes and their possible meanings. This error code indicates that the vent is open. It could be due to a wiring issue or malfunctioning vent assembly or a problem with a vent fan. This error suggests a problem with the vent fan motor. It may need replacement if it fails to operate correctly. This error relates to a problem with the water inlet valve. It could be caused by a faulty valve, water supply issues, or wiring problems. This error indicates a water circulation problem, often due to a clogged or malfunctioning circulation pump or motor. This error signifies a sensor-related issue such as malfunctioning turbidity sensor, temperature sensor, or wiring problems with the sensors. When encountering these error codes, there are few troubleshooting steps you can take. Turn off the dishwasher for a few minutes and then restart it. Sometimes this simple reset can clear the error code. Inspect the dishwasher for any visible blockages or clogs in the drain, filters, or spray arms that could be causing the error. Refer to your Frigidaire gallery dishwashers manual or the manufacturer's website for specific error code explanations and recommended troubleshooting steps. If these basic troubleshooting methods don't resolve the issue, or if you are unsure about performing further repairs, it is advisable to contact a certified technician or Frigidaire's customer service for professional assistance. Attempting complex repairs without proper knowledge could potentially cause more damage to the dishwasher. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.